In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to a Whop. First, make sure you're logged into your Whop account in your browser. Once you're in, you should land on your Whop home dashboard. This is the main page where you see an overview of your memberships, products, and any communities you're part of. Take a moment to confirm you're on this page before moving on, because all of the steps we're about to take start from here. Now, look toward the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Go ahead and click on your profile. This opens a small menu that gives you access to your account-related options and settings. Whenever you want to change anything about your account, this is usually where you'll start. Next, in that same top right area, you'll see a small gear icon next to your profile. The gear icon is the universal symbol for settings, and on Whop it works the same way. Click on the gear icon to open your main account settings page. This is where you can adjust things like general preferences, security options, and in this case, your connected accounts. Once the settings page loads, look for the section labeled Connected Accounts. It may appear in a sidebar or as one of the tabs or menu options on the page. When you see Connected Accounts, click on it. This section is designed specifically to let you link external platforms, like Instagram, so Whop can recognize and verify those accounts. Inside the Connected Accounts area, you'll see a list of platforms that can be linked to your Whop profile. Scroll until you find Instagram. When you've located Instagram in that list, click on the Add button next to it. This tells Whop that you want to start the process of connecting your Instagram account. At this point, you'll be prompted to enter your Instagram account URL. This is simply the web address of your Instagram profile, the same link you'd send someone if you wanted them to view your page. Type or paste your Instagram profile URL carefully, making sure there are no extra spaces or typos. Once you've entered the correct URL, confirm it to proceed. Whop will then generate a verification code to link your Instagram to your Whop account. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete that verification, and once it's done, your Instagram